So now the next question is square root by division method. Okay, this you are getting for 3 marks. Mostly you may get a decimal. I'll come to decimal also, but before that we will do these numbers. Square root by long division method or simply square root by division method. Now, first one, 5776. What does the rule say? Whenever it is not a decimal, the rule is different, and for the integers the rule is different. So now this is not decimal. So the rule says make pairs from here. That is from right to left. Okay, from right to left. ऐसा आएगा. So if it is, say for example, this is 5-digit number, that is odd number, you won't get a pair, you are getting an unpaired number. So this is 1 pair, 2 pair, and this is a single number, so it is 1 single digit. Okay, now start. 57. What is the square now? 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64. So 7 sevens are 49. Okay, subtract. 9 plus 8 is 17. 8 plus 7. The rule says this you have to add here. This is only revision. We have covered all this. 14. Bring these two together down. Okay, 76. So 146 multiplied by 6 is 870. Barabar na? 146 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 3 carry 24 3 27 2 8 6. Yeah, it is 146. 146 into 6, that is minus क्या 0 आया. This is your answer. Square root of 5776 is 76. Now square root of 56644. Okay, this is one pair, this is 6 6 another pair, this is a छोटा number. The rule is whenever you get odd number of digits, you won't get a pair here. That is the rule. इतना याद रखना. Odd number अभी इसमें 5 digits है ना, 1 2 3 4 5 odd है. So you will get पहला वाला अकेला होगा, and then you will get pairs. Many students tend to make a mistake. They take 56 as the first one. Pair इधर से करता है, they will get a wrong answer. So if you take 56, you will get 7 sevens are 49, but that is wrong. Here it will be the first digit is 5. So 2 2s are 4. See, nearest number you should take. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Which is near? 9 तो बड़ा है 5 से. So nearest number is 2 2s are 4. Okay. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then you bring the pair down. अक्का जोड़ी को नीचे लाओ. 66. Add this 2 here. This becomes 4. इधर एक नंबर डालना है, वो नंबर इधर भी आएगा. So 166 4 के कितना आएगा? 43 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 43 into 3. So this will be 43 into 3. 129. Minus करो 30 36 37 ना. And again ये जोड़ी को नीचे लाओ 44. Okay, now this 3 you are adding. 3 plus 3 6 और ये 4. इधर एक बॉक्स रखो. That same box इधर आएगा. So what will be the box? It should end with 4. 4 से end होने का मतलब either it should be 2 or it should be 8. 2 to the 4, 8 8 the 64. 2 का भी ones digit 4 में आएगा, 8 का भी ones digit 4 में आएगा. So 2 तो आएगा ही नहीं because 462 into 2 is something 800 or 900. We have in thousands. So it has to be 468 into 8 nearby. Let us check. We have to check, of course. 468 into 8. 468 multiplied by 8. 8 is a 64 4. 8 6 is 48 to 54 4 5 carry 32 5 37. 3744 exact. 3 8 8 3744. माइनस करेगा 0 आया. My answer for 56644 is 238. Square root of 56644 is 238. Come on. Now we'll do the next one. We'll come to the decimal part now. Okay. So you are more likely to get a decimal sum for finding square root using the long division method. Okay. Most likely to get a decimal. Say long division method से square root find out करो 7.3984. So this is the number and I want to find the square root. This will carry maybe 2 or 3 marks. Mostly 3 marks होगा. Let us find out. Okay. 7.3984. जोड़ी बनाना है. इधर तो कुछ है ही नहीं, एक ही नंबर है, so only one. Now decimal part में it will go this side to that side. डेसिमल के ए साइड में इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट लाइक दिस एरो विल बी लाइक दिस. डेसिमल के अब बाद में द एरो विल गो लाइक दिस. ओके, सो दिस इज वन पेयर, दिस इज अनदर पेयर. नाउ 7 के लिए क्या होगा? 3 3 से 9 is bigger than 7. So nearest will be 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring this pair down. जैसा डेसिमल पार्ट को तुमने नीचे लाया, this 39 is decimal part. जैसा ही डेसिमल पार्ट को नीचे लाया, put a point here. Okay, so my answer is 2 point something for sure. Now plus 2, I am getting 4. अभी 47 into 7 कितना है देखते हैं. 28 to 30, 32, 329. Okay, so 47 into 7, 329, 10 बाकी. Bring this pair down. 84 plus 7, 54. So क्या होगा? 54 ना. So 542 will be the likely number because 500 का डबल 1000 होता है ना. So 2s are 542 into 2. This is common sense. I am just using my common sense. 548 will be a big number which will give me 6 to 7,000. I want only 1,000. 500 का double 1,000 है. So 542 into 2, 1084. Okay, see 542, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 5 to the 10, 1084. So my answer is for square root of 7.3984 is equal to 2.72. Got it? So this part of the revision is also done. Now you may get for 1 mark or 2 marks square root by prime factor method, which I am not going to do. You know it very well. We have done a lot of sums and lot of tests. Okay, we have covered lot of tests in that. So now the next one I'll do is see square root of 0.0169. Whenever you get solve or find the square root of this, the rule is make it into a numerator and remove the decimal, make it into a numerator and upon denominator number. So इसको decimal निकालना है तो with what I should multiply? 169 multiply by, sorry, divide by 1 2 3 4. It is 169 upon, just count how many after decimal. 1 2 3 4, so 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. Okay, this will be nothing but 169 upon 10,000. Usually when the zeros are in even numbers, square root easy है एकदम. 100 का 10 into 10, 10,000 का 100 into 100, like that. So this is equal to 13 multiplied by 13 upon 100 multiplied by 100. That is equal to 13 by 100. Don't leave it here. Okay, again 13 by 100 means again put back the decimal. इधर हमने decimal निकाला नीचे से divide करके. Now division को हटा दो, put the decimal. 2 0 है, so 0.13. This is the answer. So any type of decimals if you get like this, 4 decimal होगा तो 4 0 से divide करो इधर नीचे. 6 रहेगा तो 6 0 कर दो. 2 decimal रहेगा तो 100 से करना. So it will become 10 into 10. Right? That is how you do. Next. Verify and name the property used. Next question is verify and name the property used. This is the question for you. So see what I am going to do. The question is 3 by 7 multiplied by 11 by 24 plus 9 by 16. Okay, and that is equal to 3 by 7 multiplied by 11 by 24 plus 3 by 7 multiplied by 9 by 16. How will you do? First I'll write the property used. See, this multiplied by bracket में दो लोगों को दिया. Then what they did is equal to this into this plus this into this. So property used is, property used above is क्या है? We have done so many sums like this. Distributive प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ये तो फिक्स आएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन, चेंज ही नहीं आएगा, ओवर इधर चेंज होगा, इफ इट इज प्लस ओवर एडिशन आएगा, इफ इट इज माइनस ओवर सब्ट्रैक्शन आएगा, ओवर एडिशन. नाउ डू LHS इक्वल टू, ये LHS है अपना, कम ऑन डू 3/7 मल्टीप्लाई